out how to make Swiss meringue buttercream.
Okay.
So I've got some simmering water here, and I've got my mixing bowl. And in here I've put in my egg whites and my caster sugar.
Fab.
We're basically going to just whip this until it's pasteurised, and this is how you make a Swiss meringue.
Perfect.
And then when we whip it and add the buttercream after, that's how it becomes a buttercream. It's really simple to make.
Yeah.
It's not as difficult as Italian meringue.
Yeah.
But it makes it really soft.
And how high is this with heat? Is that
sort of medium to low?
okay?
So you don't want it boiling, you want it sort of simmering. So have you ever tried Swiss meringue buttercream before? No. We're going to be making a ginger flavoured one today.
Nice.
Because it's a gingerbread cake.
Of course.
But yeah, so this is, if you haven't tried it, it's sort of a taste sensation. It's so much different to the normal sort of buttercream that we're used to.
I can't wait to try it. The consistency is kind of like sticky, but not, you know?
Yeah, because it's going to be a meringue eventually, and when we leave it off here, what we're looking for is for it to heat up to pasteurise the eggs, and then when we lift it up like this, we run out between our fingers, and it shouldn't have any grains at all of sugar.
That's one way to check, okay.
Yeah, that's how we know we're at the right stage.
Perfect.
And we're going to put it on the mixer after this. That's why I say my mixing bowl, and we're going to whip it literally until it's cold.
Okay.
It takes about 10 minutes, and then we slowly add the buttercream then, and then after that, then you've got like the silkiest, smoothest buttercream you'll have ever tasted.
Ooh, can't wait. This is, you know, I love anything creamy.
Oh, yeah,
anything
this is the boy.
This is what we want.
We're just going to literally put this on and mix it till it's cold. So that's Swiss meringue buttercream. Want to try a little bit?
I do. Thank you. So smooth, so light.
It's nice, isn't it? It's really nice in a cake.
That you could.
So
I could.
We haven't got any flavour in here, so I'm going to add in now some vanilla extract. And because we're making a ginger cake, I've also got some stem ginger. Do you ever use this?
No.
This is what I put inside the cake as well. It's lovely. It's like a candy ginger.
Yeah.
It's really, really sweet. So we're going to put in a little bit of the syrup because I don't want to make it too loose, but we want a little bit of that flavour. Because it's so smooth, you wouldn't want to put powdered ginger in because that would be loose into that stuff. So we're just going to whip it again really quickly. And that's our buttercream done.
That looks good. Wow.
Because we had quite a lot to do today, I thought it'd be quite nice if I made the cake ahead of time, which is probably what you would do on the day of a party.
Right.
So I've made, I'll just go get it, a lovely gingerbread cake.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, and the 3 tiers, the different layers make it quite sort of sensational.
Yeah.
It's got a little bit of a crack in the top, but that's just the way sort of gingerbread cake is.
It's no problem.
So I've pre-made us a bag, and what I've done, I've put one nozzle on that we're going to fill the middle with, and then I've got another nozzle here that we're going to do the top with, and that's why I put a coupler in, so then you can change the nozzle. So I'm going to load up the bag. You don't want to overfill your bag.
No, it's good. It's so smooth as well.
So I'm going to start by putting a dab in the middle.
Okay.
And that's going to hold our cake. You could level these off. If I was doing like a fondant cake or something, I would. But to be honest, you won't really notice.
Yeah.
So we're just going to go around the edge.
Isn't that so pretty? Does that take practice, or is that just?
Do you want to have a go?
I don't know. I'm gonna ruin this if I.
I'm going to give you the next layer to do.
Okay. Start in the middle. Okay, yeah, you can save it then. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's really good.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going right across.
Go around the edge then, so that we get it even. That's it.
Ooh.
That was an air bubble.
That was an air bubble.
But that's fine.
You squeeze it, yeah?
Yep, just keep squeezing it from the top.